Charles Osborne hiccuped for 68 years straight, starting in 1922 after a simple fall, transforming an ordinary day into a lifelong battle against an unrelenting diaphragm. With over 430 million hiccups, his condition baffled doctors and turned him into a medical enigma. Imagine hiccuping every 10 seconds, unable to find relief through any remedy. Despite the constant interruptions, Charles lived a remarkably full life, working on his farm and raising a family. This relentless hiccup marathon only ended in 1990, just a year before his passing, leaving behind a story that challenges our understanding of the human body and its capacity for endurance. Dive into the curious case of Charles Osborne, a man whose life was a testament to resilience in the face of the bizarre.